Seems he's not his thing at the current moment.
Did we start?
Yep, we're ready to go.
I remember where me and you and my old roommate played this. You're like, oh shit.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we had oh yeah, we definitely had lots of fun with this one.
Oh, I'm gonna
Bitches.
love this.
No kidding.
This is a game. Let's see what we got.
Alright, that works for me, I guess.
Uh,
I had my odds.
yeah,
I had my.
3-2.
Oh, I
Oh,
see.
shit.
Wait, shit, was it 3 lives or 3 fucking blanks? I forgot.
3 lives, 2 blanks.
3 lives, 2 blanks.
Motherfucker.
I had a feel. I had a feeling that one was gonna happen sooner or later. You know what? We're running back an old bit.
What does that do?
Reverses the order.
Yeah, reverse the turn order. That's what it does. Let's take a gamble, shall we?
No. No.
Oh my god, this is gonna be fucking great.
No,
I'm gonna
psych.
love-
Fuck!
Okay.
Oh.
Fuck!
Damn it! It's back him again.
Alright, that was what, 3 bullets? Here's
That's-
what I'm gonna do. I'm actually gonna be smart. Do this.
God damn it!
You're taking a play out of my book, it seems. Well.
Now, a gambit you said. Huh?
Well, fuck.
Nice handsaw you have there.
I guess that's what I get for playing like this a lot of the time.
I wonder who's gonna get this one.
Well, I wonder who. Take a gambit.
Fuck you, motherfucker. Why do I have so much beer?
Because you do. Because you're apparently just not fucking cracked.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
Oh my god.
Okay, 3 and 1. So it's either all of us get shot once, or one of us gets shot twice.
I wonder who that one's gonna be. Oh.
I'm willing to take a happy guess here.
I had a feeling you'd take the SIGs.
See what we got. Got it.
Any useful information there?
Don't worry about it.
I had a feeling the first was gonna be alive there, I'm not gonna lie.
Sorry, buddy, you have to go.
Fuck. Gotta love bringing back an old bit.
How many shots was that? Was that 3
That was
shots?
3. That was 3.
Yeah, I was third.
So there's only one left in the chamber,
Mm-hmm.
and it's supposed to be a blank, I think.
Well, try it on yourself. Yep.
Yep. Yep.
Oh, that's fucking great, I guess.
It's gonna be magnificent.
Interesting. 2-2, okay.
Maybe.
Go ahead, fucker.
Okay, I have a plan. I have a plan. Watch this.
Do your worst.
That's one.
Soon to be 2.
No, just watch.
That's 2.
Just watch. You're not getting a single shot this round, motherfucker.
Bro, you're literally taking it out of my book. You're literally taking the shot out of my book. You forgot that. Yeah, you forgot that one was a blank.
Holy shit.
Wow.
Oh yeah, you are.
How much health do I have?
You had three left.
Oh, that's not good.
Ah!
That's not good.
Well, that's one. 6 more to go. Another blank. Gambit time.
God damn it.
Alright.
God damn it. I'm dead here, aren't I?
You'll see. You'll see.
Not.
You know what? Fuck it.
Let's go.
Well, that means there's only one blank left now.
Yup. There's no point for that.
Now it's a straight 50-50 here. If he wants to risk it.
No, the thing is, I have to somehow waste every single bullet left in the chamber. There's 5 bullets left in the chamber, meaning if one of them is the blank, I should
There was 4 blanks and like 3 lives.
This one's alive, I know that for a fact, and then I'm gonna do this again. Oh, come on, it doesn't give me new intel.
Yeah, but when it's less, when you have like less than 3 shots left in the chamber, yeah, it's not gonna give you any information.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take a gambit here. It was nice knowing you guys. Okay.
Yeah, well, I knew that one was gonna happen, so. And there we go. That's the chamber.
I can't kill him like this.
Damn, the game really doesn't like you having cigarettes.
I have a vape in my hand. Does that work?
I mean, hey, technically it counts.
But it was my turn.
Thank you.
Now. Fuck you. I'm so fucking dead.
You know what?
You don't have to rub it in, man.
Lisa, baby.
Well, that's
Fucker.
one. That's one. Round down out of 3.
The game said fuck you. It did not like you. I still have a cigarette. That was funny. I still had a cigarette.
That's actually funny as fuck. You literally did not even need the cigarette the whole ass time because you were just stuck at all 4 charges. Here's to hoping I last more than 1 round. I don't like my odds with that. Oh joy! Oh joy!
Have fun, buddy.
I had a feeling.
It's gonna be a blank. I know it.
You were correct. Hmm.
Now,
I bet you
it's
this
either
next one's a
live-
blank. I bet you this next one's a blank.
Hmm.
Fuck it up.
You know what? I bet my odds. Fuck!
Oh, nice.
Fucking hell.
Into actually shooting himself, knowing for a fact it was a fucking live too.
Thank you.
Hey Ray, how funny would it be if you just, you know, hit Darth again?
No, I already did. There we go, baby.
It would, yeah, that probably would have been even funnier, actually.
Up to the line.
Oh, fucking hell, I knew you were gonna take that stage. As soon as you had that adrenaline, I knew you were gonna take this stage.
Damn it.
Alright.
Now we got one more. Should be like 1 or 2 more.
I'm not even counting at this point, I'm just gambling.
That's the whole concept of this game, dude. That's legitimately the whole concept.
This is why Kevin hates it.
Kind of like how he... It's ironic, because, like... It's gambling. It's gambling, you know what I mean? Kind of like how I'm gonna gamble this shot. Which did not work out.
Why does Ray always get the skips, man? That shit's so fucking unfair. 8 shots, 4 life, 4 banks.
Yeah, I don't necessarily like my odds with that one. Let me guess. I had a feeling.
Motherfucker! Stop stealing my shit!
Oh god.
He's gonna shoot me.
I had a feeling.
You know that just means I get to shoot you right now, right?
Yeah, I know. No, I changed the polarity, so you don't know.
Okay, fuck you too, buddy.
You will never get this turn! It's gonna be a blank.
This guy stinks!
Oh, never
It
mind.
was not a blank. It was not a blank.
What? Let's see.
What you fucking get, motherfucker. Try and shoot me with some shit.
Well, you don't have to take the gambit now.
There.
Your luck's run out, pretty boy. Oh, this is great. This is just fucking great.
Yeah, doesn't even me.
Well, that... Well, that's buckshot roulette for you.
Alright, let's see it. What do we got?
Oh, I like my odds.
I like this.
I like my odds with that one.
This.
There
Alright.
you go. Now he's back in play.
Interesting. Very, very interesting.
Cigar. Yeah.
Alright. That doesn't help me too much. I have a feeling I know what this one is. But fuck it.
You can block Ray, he's been blocking you this whole time, man.
But I haven't done shit to him.
You have more charges than he does. I'd rather equal it out.
That's not... no! Shoot Ray, man. Fuck.
It's equalization. I'd rather just do that.
Oh, you are so dead. You are so fucking dead.
I have a little bit of information for you, by the way, Killer.
Go on.
You wanna know that next round, right?
Yes, I do.
Take a gambit with Raymond. Trust me,
Please
it'll be
do.
it'll be successful. Take a gambit.
Please do.
Or at least take a gambit with me. I promise you it'll be successful.
Now, Darth, if you were telling the truth, if I shoot you right now, this would be a blank. Correct?
You gotta see for yourself. I'm only giving that one hint.
Sometimes my genius is... it's almost frightening.
I'm sorry for doubting you.
I don't doubt him.
Okay. So... I guess the burner phone really has helped me out. And I know exactly what the last shot is. So, what we're going to do here is we're gonna make a little game out of this. Just like last time. Alright. Now, I have picked a number between 1 and 10. Whoever gets closest, they do not get shot. I already have my number. Go ahead and guess.
5.
6.
You're right on the money, killer.
Still alive, baby.
Oh boy.
Oh, straight 50-50.
Oh, nice.
You know,
Oh, come on, that's no fun. It's a 50-50, man.
it seems like he can't take his chances now.
And I know for a fact he's going for the kill on this one. He's just gonna shoot me here. Yep. There it is.
I had a feeling he was gonna shoot me. It had been a while since someone shot me, so.
Okay. I love this board. This is perfect. This is so perfect. This couldn't be more perfect for me. Okay, who can actually screw me over?
Fair enough.
He did me?
No, I'm-
Alright.
No, I'm gonna be taking a big gamble on this one.
Fair enough. I had a feeling the first one was gonna be alive, so you guessed correctly.
Okay.
Yeah.
How sick would that have been though if I double predicted that shit?
Yeah, no, I don't think it would have worked out like that. Luckily for me, there are more than 3 shots. There are more than 2 shots left, so, hey.
Are you serious right now, bro?
Well, Ray, I'm gonna make this interesting for you. Okay, never
Proceeds to not.
Hey, yo. Let's see.
mind. You don't need that.
I mean, hey, we all know what it is. He just Sorry, buddy, I gotta do it.
That's fine.
I had a feeling. Hmm. Alright. Oh, straight 50-50.
Guys, I would like to add an unspoken rule to this game.
Yes. What is it?
What's that?
Anytime someone is offered the 50-50, they use no items. They take the 50-50 head on.
Okay.
Alright. Sounds good for me. I can take the gambit. I have considerably more health than him, but whatever. I still have more health than him, but what the hell?
No, you don't.
Or at least now I don't.
I mean, you guys have a shit ton of adrenaline and nothing to use it on because each of you just has adrenaline.
I mean, true. Yeah, true that. Oh, I at least
Remember
get.
back when we first released adrenaline, like the first day when adrenaline was released in the game, you could steal adrenaline, so you could just burn out all the adrenaline and then steal the item you wanted.
Yeah. Let me guess.
Absolutely busted strats.
Oh, thank God they ended up removing that strat after a while. But you could literally just like farm like that kind of stuff, and like yeah, it was busted.
Yeah, basically, like at some point I pulled like 4 adrenalines, and you know, the other guy just had 1, and he just burned them all and managed to steal my last item. It's just fucking pain.
Damn. It worked
There
out.
we go.
Alright.
Second time was the best time.
Yeah, so it seems. At the very least now you can't kill me with a double shot, so
Yep.
yeah, excuse me. I'm not gonna lie, I was not paying attention to yeah, I was not paying attention to what was going on there, so I'm kind of in the dark.
Yep. You got it right.
Yeah, fortunately.
Nope. Fuck.
Well, that didn't quite work out for you, I suppose.
Nope. Did not.
Alright. Ah, fuck it. I mean, like, I'm not.
Holy shit.
Yeah, I don't like my odds with this one.
Yep.
Well, he's gonna have to. Well, we're gonna have to see. I mean, both of us at this point died to one sawed-off shot. So, unless. Oh wait, never mind. Well,
You should've. You fucked up, man. Ray, you really fucked up. You could've won it right then and there.
I don't really matter to me.
I mean, hey, whatever works. Fair enough. Fair enough, I suppose. Might as well get rid of that.
This is when it takes strategy, literally.
Yeah, true that.
Strategy would have been you winning last shot.
I don't.
Well, I mean, one thing's for sure. Somebody's dying this round.
It's 1-1, and like items are looking pretty slim.
So yeah, we kind of have to take separate gambits at this point.
That's it. Fuck!
Okay then.
Either you do the beer or you should go for it, okay?
I was probably gonna do the former. I had a feeling about that one.
No.
Let's see. Nice.
There we go.
Yeah.
Nice, that round's finally over.
I'm back, baby.
Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ, that round took forever. If you're doing what I think you're doing, that's probably a little bit overkill.
Yeah, I was expecting it.
Yeah, that's fair enough, I suppose.
Okay,
Well-
that's one life. How many bullets were there?
There's 4.
Didn't look.
4. There's 4.
4, 2 and 2, right? It's 2
Yep.
and 2.
Yeah, 2 and 2. So they had a 66% chance.
No, it's a 15% chance.
No, it's
No, wait.
100% chance of blanks.
You know what you could do?
However, here's what I'm gonna do. Here's actually what I'm gonna do. Wait, how was it 4 bullets? Did
It was
anyone use
not.
the inverter?
I'm thinking it was Raymond who used the inverter.
God damn it. Well, Ray has a substantial lead, so I guess we kind of just have to team up on him for now.
Not for much longer. Not for much longer. Hey. I mean, we're literally down to the wire here. Everyone dies to one sawed-off shot. Oh, okay.
Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah, that's very pretty for the both of us, I gotta say.
Wait, did you get a saw by any chance, Darth?
No, I did not.
Fuck. One of us is dead here.
Yeah,
One of us
yeah.
is dead here.
One of us is 100% dead here.
Your cases. Plead your cases.
Well, Ray,
I haven't
let
tried
me
to
just
target you
remind
much.
I haven't asked for a single aspect from you today.
And I'm not
I
gonna...
haven't asked for a single one.
Raymond, I haven't tried to target your ass at all. It's mostly just killer.
If you think about it, Darth has won 2 rounds in a row. Yeah?
What?
If
No,
you-
what? No, what? Okay, then.
If you want to equal it out, kill me. If you want me to win 2 rounds in a row, go for him. It's a simple choice.
He's
Okay,
gonna win.
no, I'm
He's
gonna
win
do
3
this.
in a row.
Heads or tails? Heads or tails, motherfucker.
No, I'll give you the honors, Darth.
Alright. Alright, it's heads for me.
I'll take tails.
Okay. I'm sorry.
Any last words, my friend?
Do it.
Killer finally gets a win. Well, that's 1 win for each of us that time. Took long enough.
You know, it'd be so much better if we had categories.
Oh, oh yeah, that would have been hilarious, actually.
Oh, 50-50.
50-50, boy.
Well, we all.
Who gets it? Who gets it?
Oh, it's Raymond. All right, let's see. Wow, straight out of the gate. All right,
Took a leap.
that's an early lead if I've ever seen one. Yeah, that
Yeah,
is.
I like these items.
That's an early lead if I've ever seen one. Okay.
I can work with this.
Hey, you get the opportunity to work with it right now.
Now it's a 50-50.
Oh, well, I think I know what's gonna go on here. So I'm just gonna stay silent.
Yeah, me too.
Why the fuck not?
I think I know what's going on here. Yeah.
Yep.
How much was that? 3?
That was 3. Make that 4 you're looking at right now.
That's 4.
And 5 next.
Plead your cases.
I don't think I really have a case against you. Have fun. Choose wisely.
Yep. Yep.
I mean, hey, you chose wisely there. Interesting. Very interesting. Alright. Alright. Let's get this out of the way.
That's on me, isn't it? Yep. If you really think about it, you should have hit Ray with that, because like I don't have too many items you need to worry about.
If I wanted to, then I would have. Sorry, buddy, I'm gonna need that phone.
No, go ahead. As long as you tell me what you got from it.
It was a blank that I read.
Okay.
I won't tell you what shell it is, but I will tell you that it was a blank that I read.
I don't even remember how many shells there are.
There were 6. There's 6 shells in there.
Oh yeah, it was 3 and 3.
Okay. It's obviously not a straight 50-50, so I can afford to take my chances a little bit. So... I have a feeling about this next one. And even if it goes awry, I still have joined the most amount of health. I had a hunch.
Okay.
Took me a while to decide that one, I gotta say. Alright. I'm just gonna do this real quick.
Yep.
And then follow it up with another one of these.
Damn.
God damn it.
God damn!
Holy shit. I think I'm just gonna shoot myself here. Fuck this.
Oh.
That was something, and I did.
Okay, that's actually fucking hilarious.
Oh, let's do a more here. Let's go, baby. Let's go. 3 and 1. Oh, I love these odds.
Wait, you told me to tell a joke, and I did.
Holy shit. Yeah, no, I think
Yeah,
you know what's gonna happen.
yeah. This is literally just a fever dream of a game, and I love it.
Absolutely.
I mean, I don't know how right now that my mortality is going way down just from.
Yeah.
Hanging out with killer.
Yeah, true that.
Fuck, my heart hurts from laughing.
Okay, so either one of you is at risk of dying, so
I mean, I think it's pretty obvious which one's more fucked up.
fuck it, I'm removing myself from the game.
I love this shit. I mean, I'm dead regardless. Ah, come on, you're not just gonna shoot yourself, are you?
Not like him.
Oh wait, I still have a life? Oh, I
Because
still
you
have
had
a life.
3.
Alright, I used 6. I forgot about that.
Oh god.
There's a stop for me to steal, so I can't just straight off win this one. How the fuck? Wasn't that 3 shells?
No, it was 7. I think it was 7. Total.
It told me 3rd shell blank. Since when does it tell you shells that have already been shot?
No way! My game flew! Oh, there you go. I just shot.
Brother, you weren't even paying attention. I literally just shot myself and then removed myself from that game.
I mean, to be fair, I would have shot myself if I were in your position.
I don't think my in-game counterpart needed to hear that. Oh god. Dude, I can only imagine how that would go.
Oh, probably like top-rated fucking card game in all of the United States within a year or some shit.
Yeah, we'll see. Alright, gambit time.
How many bullets were there? I didn't.
There were 6. There were 6. No, I've shot 2.
6 to
I've shot. There's 2 already.
2 blanks.
Yeah.
Honestly, I'm just gonna save myself the trouble here.
Fair enough.
Smoke this real quick. And I know it's a 50-50, and I know we said no items in 50-50s.
Yeah,
I don't think this really counts for anything.
we'll see.
I
We'll
just
see.
like rolling the dice a little bit.
Fair enough.
Well, I'm gonna plead my case this time. And I decide to plead the 5th.
Well, that didn't quite work out. Time for me to try it. Nice.
That's fair.
Alright.
No, Ray, you're not getting your turn yet.
God damn it.
Yeah, we love keeping that bit up.
How many bullets are left?
There's 2 left. There's 2 left.
Is it a 50-50 or?
I think it's a straight 50-50. Alright. Works for me, I suppose. Oh well. I don't.
Another remote. Do you have another remote so we can block Ray?
I unfortunately do. Wait, I do actually.
You do. Let's go.
do me like that, but just alright.
He's gonna shoot himself with this one,
Fuck.
probably.
Fuck it, we ball. Yeah, fuck it, we ball.
It's either you take... Okay, that's just fucking funny.
Fair enough.
We ball. There's no helping it. Sugar beer. That's a blank.
Oh wait.
And this one should be alive. Ah, come on, that would have been such a sick play.
Okay. Alright, gambit time.
That's fair. Is this a 50-50?
I'm not 100% sure, but you're gonna have to take the game regardless. Fair enough.
I took the gambit.
Raymond? You've been awfully quiet.
Yes.
you've been awfully quiet. You've been awfully quiet. I'm so sorry, bud. I'm so sorry.
Don't worry. By the end of time. It's gonna be very well. And
Well-
it's my. Oh, it's sweet. No, fucking one of you are already gonna hit. You're next.
Ray, you know what? I'm gonna cut you some slack, Ray.
Oh, fair enough.
I'm doing this for now, Ray.
To be fair, I don't really care if I win either way. I'm just the troll man of these games.
Yes, you are. Yes, you are.
Plead your cases.
Fuck you. You know what you did.
I'm a troll. I don't have no case. Alright, feel free. Feel free. I'm the troll. Give it to me.
But Ray's been a little bitch recently, so...
I see.
Don't worry.
I see.
Don't worry. Your time will come. Your time will come. Killer.
I will come too. In time.
That's what she said.
That's what she said.
Damn it.
Well, guess it's back to me. And I know exactly what I'm gonna do.
Fair enough.
Yep.
Interesting.
Another 50-50.
Interesting.
Okay. Let's make this not a 50-50 first off. Right, by doing this. Okay. I straight up know exactly how this shit's gonna go. Watch.
Alright.
Okay. Now, Darth, I will do you a favor and tell you the next shell is alive. Do with that information as you will.
I'm not taking my chances right now.
Okay. Why do you have so much beer?
You tell me. That's what the game gave me.
I see.
Yeah. You know, it's starting to look like Homer Simpson over there, man.
I mean, hey. It could work out for me in the end. This is interesting. This is very interesting, if I do say so myself.
You have 3-1 odds.
Yeah. I'm not gonna lie. I like those odds.
you also have 3 beers, so you could have just chucked 3 of them.
Yeah, that's true. However, I could just be a little bitch and do something like this instead.
Yeah, but you just wasted like your most powerful items on that.
I'm well aware. I have a spare.
Well, fuck.
Witness B being a little bit of a gatekeeping little bitch.
Yeah, you just wasted all 4 shots on that. You could have went for a shot there.
I could have, yeah.
Falling for a fucking saw? Is that what you're doing?
I was stalling for fucking adrenaline or something like that.
You bitch.
Okay, he can't stall this one out.
We'll see. We'll see.
Yeah, you don't have what it takes to stall this. Best case scenario, you stall 4 or 5 shots out. Actually, in the perfect scenario, he might just stall it out.
Yeah, he would.
I would do it. I would do it in a fucking heartbeat. God,
God, I love breadcrumbs.
I had a feeling about that one.
Excellent.
Interesting. Well, that's 2.
I just thought of like one of the simplest but most fucked up conundrums you could give a person.
Oh god, please don't tell us now.
I'm gonna wait for a conundrum to show to open up. Like I'm waiting for a game of conundrum because this is just an automatic win. The way to beat me in conundrum is make it the least fucked up conundrum win.
So it seems.
I swear to fucking god, you're stalling, man. This is.
Well, that's 2 lives and 1 blank down the drain. That's 3 shots. I have the exact same odds. Headed into this last half of the chamber. I know exactly what the last shell is. However, this one is a little bit more complicated.
So you're playing on 50-50 odds here, pretty much.
Surely it can't be 3 in a row, right? It just had to be 3 in a row.
What?
I love how he solved all that just to get shot.
Well, you're gonna have to chance it now.
Oh. I tried taking him down and it failed.
Well, goody for me, I can at least stall a little longer. I will, however, do this, though. Only because he has the most health.
Most health, most items, he literally has everything.
Yep, that's true. The only thing I really can do at this moment is just stall.
Oh, I have another stall in my
Why do I have 3 phones? What the fuck?
Yeah, I had 3 phones last round as well.
Okay, fuck it, I guess. Alright, fuck it, we ball, I guess.
Play, motherfuckers! Let me play!
Okay, interesting.
How funny would it be if you switched turn order?
Are you serious right now, bro?
And we do this.
They're still acting like little children about what is nutritious.
Jesus Christ.
You know what is nutritious? This is nutritious.
Oh yeah, very. I know exactly what that next shot is, by the way, so...
Sometimes my genius. It generates gravity.
Fuckers! Fuckers!
Okay, thankfully... Wait.
The thing is,
You know what? Fuck it. Okay. Okay, cool. That's good to know, I suppose.
Let me play! God damn it!
Mmm. Alright, I'm taking the gambit.
Okay.
Okay. I'll leave the last shot for you.
I have not been paying attention whatsoever.
Well, you have the opportunity to.
That's not very helpful because I don't know how many shells were shot. Is this a 50-50?
I'm not 100% sure. I don't know. You have to test it. Alright then. Alright then. Let's see. Alright. Well, that's not exactly helpful now, is it? Oh well, I'm taking the beer.
Just looking at dead man's body at this point.
Yeah.
Yeah, literally he is.
Fuck it, I'm taking the gambit. Nice.
Okay. Oh wait, I'm still alive. Holy shit.
You have 2 charges left. I only have 1.
God damn it.
We're just gonna do Rena Rena Rosie at this point, huh? What the fuck? Okay.
God damn it. I think I should be guaranteed a win here.
Well, we'll see. We'll see. We'll
I
see.
don't have much to go off of. Okay, it's a 50-50.
Okay. Okay. I mean, hey, we both agreed no power-ups. We both agreed no items using for a 50-50.
No.
What about the SIGs?
Cigarettes?
What about the SIGs?
Oh yeah, true. Besides the
That's not the end.
SIGs, no information items when it's a 50-50.
No information items. Okay, I get it. No information items. Here's what I'm gonna do.
All right.
Right? Then I'm gonna adrenaline and take this. It's not an info item per se.
But it basically does guarantee you a win, so...
You know what? Because I did that and broke the rule, I will shoot myself here regardless. There you go.
Oh, wow. Well then we both know what's in this one, so...
Yeah. I
Alright.
fucked up the 50-50, that's my bad.
Hey, it happens. You at least made up for it. Alright, what we got here?
Now it's quite literally...
Oh, interesting. Interesting. Well, you gotta go first.
Many bullets. Okay.
I mean, we're both at 1
I
health,
guess
so...
we're doing this. Okay.
I had a feeling about that one. No, it's 2-2.
I'll take my chances. Fuck.
Interesting.
I mean, are we just gonna keep going ring around the rosy again?
We possibly might. That was 2, I believe. Interesting. Okay. Okay, so let's just go ahead and do this. Oh,
Yeah, that's game.
I guess so. At least for this round.
That was the last round, wasn't it?
No, I think it was round 2.
Yep, that was.
Oh, that was... Alright. That's that, I suppose.
Will the